Hey guys, how's it going? Suggie here from Suggiesspace. So right now I am in Indonesia, in the city called Yogyakarta. I'm staying at this place called the Hyatt Regency, which is absolutely stunning. Just got here last night. So right now for this video I just want to give you guys a quick tour of this incredible place. Alright, let's do it. So obviously one of the best things about any place really you go to is the food that you get. So let's go check out the buffet. Woo! There are just too many bloody choices. I can't decide. I don't know what to get. Awesome, thank you so much. Couldn't decide what to get, so I just got a little bit of everything. So good. Look at this beautiful swimming pool right here. Time for a cheeky dip.